Now let's read about tow trucks. Tow trucks at work. Oh no, a car broken down. Who can help? A tow truck. Beep, beep. A tow truck backs up. Oh, see that? A driver gets out of the cab. He pushes a button. It unwinds the cable. The hook comes down. The driver hooks up the car. The front wheels rest on the wheel lift. The back wheels stay on the ground. Vroom! Off he goes to the repair shop. A van is parked in a loading zone. A tow truck comes to move it. Oh no! A bus was in an accident. A big tow truck moves it off the road. Oh no! A blizzard! A car went off the road. A tow truck pulls it out. See right there? Tow trucks are helpful. Parts of a tow truck. Cable, a very strong rope made of metal wire. Cab, the place where the driver sits. Hook, a strong curved piece that attaches the cable to a car for towing. And wheel lift, a metal bar that lifts up the front wheels of cars for towing. And here's the pictures. Accident, an event that happens without planning it. Loading zone, a place in front of a building where people can load and unload items quickly but cannot park. Blizzard, a very big snowstorm where it's hard to see. And repair shop, the place cars and trucks go to be fixed. And that was about tow trucks.